You don't see too many BMW Z8s, but over here is a 1958 BMW 503 that's been painstakingly restored by the workshop in Libertyville, Illinois. And today, what I'll be doing is that I'll be just touching up a few of the minor defects that were left over from the paint shop, clean up the windows and apply an Aziel F2 metal coat just to give it that final pop before it's delivered to the customer. This is just really an amazing car, and it was a subject of a multi-year restoration by the workshop. Man, did it come out looking fantastic. Underneath the hood is a 3.2 liter, that's 193 cubic inches of V8 with dual Weber carburetors. It's pretty neat. One thing that's very interesting too, and actually very cool and typical of the time period, is this toolkit that's included with the car too as well. I'd open it up, but it's already been restored and I don't want to have any mechanical scrubbing of the fresh paint over here. Inside is a full leather interior that's been restored by the workshop. These amazing gauges. And it's a 4-speed on the floor, and it's a 2+2 arrangement. And moving to the rear here, let's take a look and we'll open up the trunk. Ooh, very cool V8 magic here. Underneath here we got some parts, all carpeted and finished. Very neat for 1958. In total, there were only 413 built, so we're going to be very careful just setting up our polishing here. And I'm going to begin by just taping off all of the areas where there's rubber. Not too worried about any of the chrome finish, but we definitely want to protect all the rubber that we'll be polishing around. So the first thing that I'll do is that I'll just take out these minor imperfections that were left over from the paint process. It doesn't matter, even if you have an unlimited budget, it happens. And everybody knows the perfect painter, but they are very, very few and far between. Most of everyone does a fantastic job when you're talking about paint of this caliber. But, you know, it's a lot of surface area, and sometimes things just can't be 100%. So we're just going to try to make them 100%. Okay, we're done with the two important spots. And so now I'm just going to give you a time lapse of the rest of the car, and then I'll stop if I run into anything that's interesting. Although the car's in beautiful shape, probably won't happen. So here I will actually stop, and there's just a couple of fine scratches, nothing too major here. And it's only on this back quarter of the roof. So I'm going to switch it up and use a medium cut compound. I'm going to continue using the same pad though. And it should clear these up no problem. So if you don't want to screw up your taping when you're polishing, you see that this tape lays over from left to right. So if you have a clockwise spinning pad or polisher, like pretty much everything except for the flex, then you want to come in from left to right. And that rotation will make sure that you don't lift your tape. And the worst thing in the world is getting the adhesive on your pad and then spreading all the adhesive all over the panel. Okay, let's talk a little bit about Metal Coat F2. So this is a 6 to 12 month ceramic coating. This is an actual real ceramic coating. This will not just wash off with strong soap or if you use wheel acid or something like that to remove water spots. This is much more durable than your spray-on ceramic infused sprays or your spray-on graphene infused sprays. The key to success with this is to apply it at the beginning part of a section and to drag it out to the edge of the panel. Flip your towel. Make sure you have a nice even application. That is it.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Real nice.